Hi guys, Monica. Remember, God loves you. I got a bunch of stuff that I have to get pictures of for my eBay, and I wanted to bring you along. But just a minute. I found these in a storage unit that, sorry guys, that we purchased to sell on eBay. And I don't know if the gauges are right on this, but I wanted to mail these to somebody for free if you are interested in them. My email will be in the drop down below. So just give me an email and I will be happy to send those to you. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, I'm back. Look at these adorable Lefton Angels that I have. I found them at a garage sale and they were so precious. I had to flip them. I got them for $2. I haven't done the research on these yet, so I don't know how much they're worth. But I just wanted to show you how I'm going to get some pictures of some items that I got. And hang in there with me. I am just going to check them and make sure that there's no damage on them that I need to note on my listing. They look beautiful. Now I'm just going to get some measurements. I try to do it in an angle that kind of is eye level, so that way people have that point of view. I will actually measure them and write it on a note, so that way they know the actual measurements when I list it. Also going to list some items that I had in a flea market booth that I was renting, but it kind of fell apart last year in the midst of the pandemic. And this looks like it's a Mike Scovel print card front with a letter on the back from 1982. I had it listed at the flea market for $9.99. But I'm going to do a little bit of research and see if the price has changed. Let's look at that letter. Oh yeah, that is so precious. And here is what that letter looks like. Hold it up here. If you want to read it, you can freeze frame it and read it. I just cleaned the inside of the glass, and now I'm going to take that lint roller I was talking about in another video and clean up this felt or velvet, I guess it is. You get some pictures of it. Kind of needs to be straightened out a little. Now I'm just going to get some good pictures of it. I haven't done the research on this either. I haven't done any research on anything before I took pictures this time. And usually I kind of have curiosity on what the item is worth. That slid down a little, so I'm going to retake that picture, delete that one that I didn't like, and just go back and continue. I want to get a picture of this name really quick. Every time I slide that down, it messes up the picture a little. Just get a close-up of this name on the print and some close details on the photo. The more pictures you take, the better. People really like detail. Get a picture of the size. I always do things backwards. I'm a rebel eBayer, so, and that's how I am when I'm canning or doing any other projects around here. I just don't follow the rules. Next, I have this adorable little angel. She is made out of porcelain. Her arms are porcelain. Her torso is porcelain. I think her body's porcelain too. I did not see any information on her. It's a little fuzzy. I cleaned her, but I did not touch her hair at all because I want it to be as original as possible. Somebody else could have somebody professionally clean her, but I am just going to lay her down and take my photos of her. Get some close-ups of her precious little face. She does have a little bit of discoloration, probably from the paint, as I'm guessing. I'll show you this picture. She's kind of got just some little markings on her chin. So I'm guessing that those are just in the porcelain. I think pictures are your best selling points of any item that you're going to list on eBay. So the more detail you can get on her, the better. Show her little slip. Show the back. The details in her hair. And then I'm going to measure her and get some measurement pictures. And I try to do it, like I said, at eye level so that way people can see about how big she is, and then I'll take actual measurements of her and write it on a notepad so that way I have her actual measurements. This box is a little rough, but these glasses are absolutely stunning. If I don't break them. I'm going to get them out and get them cleaned up so I can get some pictures of them. There is a label on here. So I'll look these items up. I seriously doubt that they're of any huge value, but it's something I just need to get rid of. Here's those glasses that I got cleaned up. I'm going to get some pictures of them. Pictures of those labels. Get a picture of the height. And you can take your pictures of your measurements in any order that you'd like. Some people like to see them when you stand them up and get a measurement of them. Just make sure you bring your camera down far enough that you see that it's close to eye level. And of course the width. It's a little tricky. Make sure you get a picture of the box. I put them in as well as I could. I did end up putting a piece of tape on it because I want to make sure that the box doesn't come open, since the box is in a little rough shape. I don't want it to come open during shipping. Like I said, I like to take a picture of all sides. And since we already got a picture of the height of the glass, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. God bless.